Welcome to the Future Food Tech Summit. This video will show you how to best use the virtual event platform. You'll be sent an email to log into the platform, which will come from hello@swapcard.com. Click on the button, Let's Get Started, to log in. Once you have logged into the platform, the first thing to do is to complete your profile. Click Edit above your details on the left-hand side of the page. Based on your registration information, a profile is created for you, but it is important to complete your profile with additional information because this will enable you to make the best connections via the platform. The matchmaking artificial intelligence within the platform favours profiles which are most complete. A profile with a photo will be given priority over a profile without a photo, for example, so it's important to enter as much information as you can. To your profile, you can add a headshot, biography, edit details imported from your event registration, add additional contact information, link social media accounts, add information about your company and your skills. Displaying your skills will increase how many profile views you receive. These can be real skills like project management or communication, but you can also add your industry or your department, for example. All this information will enrich your profile and allow artificial intelligence to help you find the most relevant people with whom you can connect. Once you've updated your profile, head home and click on the My Event tab. Here, you'll be able to manage your schedule during the summit. First of all, check My Meetings to see if you've received any meeting requests from other delegates. You can accept or decline each meeting, and once you have accepted it, it will then be added to My Schedule. You can also mark yourself as unavailable at specific times by clicking Make Unavailable next to that time slot. The unavailable slot will then no longer be displayed on your profile, and other participants will no longer be able to book meetings with you at these slots. At any time, you can make these times available again by clicking Make Available. The My Event page is where you'll see all your chosen sessions and roundtables and where you can manage your one-to-one meetings. We'll come to each of these in turn. Back on the home page, click on the Watch Live button. Here you are able to watch the live sessions and see the sessions that are coming up next, which will autoplay after each session finishes. Note that the session timing and all timings shown throughout the virtual platform adapt to your computer's location. On the right-hand side, you can chat with other attendees also watching the session, ask questions to speakers and answer any polls. On sessions that have speakers and sponsors, their profiles are linked below. To see the whole schedule, click on the Agenda button. On the left, you can apply filters to search for either plenary sessions or specific tracks, and the right shows you sessions that you have added to your schedule. You don't need to register for sessions, but to add them to your personal schedule, you can click the plus icon on the agenda, or in the session itself, click Register. You will then find these sessions saved in My Event, My Schedule. As soon as the session begins, watch them live by clicking on the session title or by simply clicking the Watch Live button. All sessions will be available to watch on demand for a month afterwards. Also, for the month after the live event, you can also continue to message speakers, exhibitors and attendees to ensure you maximise your networking value from the summit. For networking, click on the One-to-One Meetings button to see the list of all delegates registered for the summit. As mentioned earlier, based on the information you add to your profile, the system will display at the top of the list people you should meet. On the left, you can search the attendee list for specific names or filter the list by company type, country, or company. To connect with someone, click on their profile and send them a connection request, which will enable you both to share contact details, including email, telephone, and address. Once you have connected, you can then send them a private message with that person. These connections are shown in My Event, My Networking. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's name and view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select Virtual, add a message and click Send Meeting Request, and the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings are shown in the attendee's profile and in My Event, My Meetings. You can then export these to your calendar. If you have a lot of meetings that are pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel some of these meetings to free up slots, as pending meetings block your meeting slots. To reschedule a meeting, you will have to cancel it and rebook it at a different time. Automatic notifications are sent within the system and are listed in the bell icon. Messages, connections, reminders, and updates will all send you notifications here. During the summit, don't forget to regularly check My Event, My Schedule to manage your personal schedule. When it's time for a scheduled meeting, you will see a video call button appear next to the time in the accepted meetings in My Schedule. Click on this to start the meeting at the set time, and you will host the video call within the system. Head back to the homepage and click on the Roundtables button. At specific times during the summit, there will be roundtable discussion groups, which you will need to sign up for in advance. Each roundtable is limited to 11 attendees to ensure that they work as an opportunity to drill down into topics in small groups of people, where everyone can be shown on screen at once. Each roundtable discussion group is based on a specific theme, offering a valuable opportunity to network, brainstorm solutions, share ideas with peers on shared areas of interest. On this page, you will find the list of all the roundtables on both days, the times, the topics, and the hosts. To register for your selected roundtable, add this session to your agenda by clicking on the plus icon or clicking register in the session. It will then appear under your schedule in My Event. When it is time for the roundtable to take place, open the roundtable session that you have registered for, click on a link that will be added to the description, which will then take you to the roundtable discussion. You will need to have your camera and microphone on, as these will work like a Zoom meeting, where everyone at the roundtable can talk to and see each other. Back on the home page, click on the exhibition button. The list of sponsors is displayed, with each having their own virtual exhibition booth. They share information, links, and documents. Sessions which sponsors are speaking at are also linked to their exhibition booth. You can one-to-one chat with a company on the right-hand side and also book a meeting in the same way that you would with an attendee. You can bookmark an exhibition booth, which then be linked under My Events, My Bookmark Companies. Each company's representative are linked to the exhibition booth, and by clicking on their name, it will direct you to their individual profiles. The Startups page will also show information on the started feature. The Startups page will also show information on the startup companies that are featured at the summit. General chat shows a general summit chat that is open to everyone to share ideas and start conversations. The Rethink event team will also be monitoring this chat room. So if you have any questions about the event and the platform, you can ask these in the general summit chat discussions. Finally, let's head back to the My Event page. As you can see, the sessions and roundtables that I have registered for now appear under My Schedule, and any confirmed one-to-one meetings will also appear here. You can export your whole schedule to your computer's calendar by clicking the Export button on the left-hand side. Don't forget to check My Meetings to accept and decline any incoming meeting requests and view your pending meetings. My Networking will show the details of all the connection requests that you have made and been sent. My Bookmark Companies will show the sponsoring companies that you have saved. At the end of the event, you can download all of these into a single PDF and at any time export to My Calendar. Enjoy the virtual summit.